Alright, so today we're going to do a review of this Gatorade G-Fit, and this one here is the watermelon strawberry. I did one on their mango flavored one. It was actually pretty good. So this is their sort of like healthy version of Gatorade. So if you look here, here's the ingredients, take a look. So they got water, and then they got some watermelon juice, and then you got all these vitamins. They flavor it with some stevia. So there you go. Let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so here we go. Ooh, this one's pretty good. The one I tried with the mango, it had a hint of flavor. This one's just like, it tastes like watermelon, and they use watermelon juice, so they don't actually have to add anything to it. But yeah, it tastes pretty good. So it has that nice hint of watermelon. So yeah, definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, guys, plus below, subscribe to the channel.